Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this section, we are doing something different. अभी तक हम colleges के placements, colleges का admission criteria discuss करते थे, but we did not discuss on specific specializations. I know there are some of the people who are very sure of the specialization they want to opt for. कुछ लोगों को ह्यूमन रिसोर्स लेना है, कुछ लोगों को मार्केटिंग लेना है, कुछ लोग बहुत श्योर हैं कि उन्हें जनरल मैनेजमेंट में जाना है. So for those people, I always say that not every college offers the same quality in every specialization. हर कॉलेज का एक यूएसपी होता है, एक फ्लैगशिप कोर्स होता है जिसमें वो बाकी सारे कोर्सेज के कंपैरिजन में बहुत बेटर होता है. एंड इट इज ऑलवेज गुड फॉर यू टू नो कि अगर आपको एक स्पेशलाइजेशन चूज करना है तो व्हाट आर द बेस्ट कॉलेजेस फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पेशलाइजेशन. सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स स्पेशलाइजेशन, जो एक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सॉट आफ्टर स्पेशलाइजेशंस है. बहुत ज्यादा स्कोप है ह्यूमन रिसोर्स स्पेशलाइजेशन में. इनफैक्ट HR forms the backbone of any organization because it is the bridge between the customer and the company. तो HR के ऊपर बहुत responsibility होती है that they make sure that they are delivering what they are promising, that they make sure that the brand image of the company is not suffering because of anything. They also have to take care of the employees who are in the company and train those employees on how to basically interact with the customer. So HR one of the most important things hai for an organization. So let us discuss the top 5 B schools for MBA in human resource. But before that, I want you to follow the channel, subscribe to it, press the bell icon, because we're going to be covering multiple news every day. और अगर आपके कोई भी notifications miss हो गए, then you will miss out on very amazing piece of information जो आपके decision making में, जो आपकी preparation में बहुत ज़्यादा useful होगी. So if you've subscribed and pressed the bell icon, let's move forward and discuss the top 5 B schools for MBA in human resource. The first B school is XLRI Jamshedpur. We all know that XLRI is one of the best B schools in the country. ये top 10 B schools में आता है and इसके placement से लेके इसके campus से लेके everything is beautiful, it's amazing. तो XLRI Jamshedpur ZAT के थ्रू, Xavier Aptitude Test के थ्रू admissions accept करता है. It offers 2 courses, PGDM BM and PGDM HRM. तो यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं PGDM HRM की. ये जो कोर्स है ये HR स्पेसिफिक कोर्स है और ये जो है I would according to my research ranks at the first position in terms of the best HR B schools in India. इसकी जो फीस है वो है around 23.6 lakhs. It could be a little less or a little higher. This is from what I got from the official website of XLRI. And we have discussed in one of the news also, but I'll repeat that the highest salary offered was 58.5 lakh per annum for this particular year. अब XLRI के website पे जो placement reports हैं, उसमें there is not a bifurcation between the placements of PGDM BM and PGDM HRM, जिसकी वजह से मैं आपको exact figure नहीं बता पाऊंगी कि HR में highest package कितना गया. But फॉर योर बेटर इंफॉर्मेशन, जो प्लेसमेंट प्रोसेस होता है वो कॉमन होता है दोनों स्पेशलाइजेशन के लिए, दोनों कोर्सेज के लिए. एंड almost all the companies that come on campus also come for the HR specialization. The average salary offered was rupees 24.3 lakh per annum, which is an amazing number. अगर 20 plus है average salary and also the median salaries जो मैंने यहाँ measure नहीं किया है, then it is a very good reflection of the placement. And finally, the number of seats here are 180. So XLRI Jamshedpur ka campus is beautiful. It is one of the best colleges and it is also the number 1 college in terms of MBA in HR, right? So this should be at the top of your list. Moving on, the second best college for HR is TIS Mumbai, that is Tata Institute of Social Sciences. One of the oldest and the best known colleges in Mumbai and in India for their MBA. जो courses ये offer करते हैं ये basically MA का course offer करते हैं, not MBA, but ये equivalent होता है to an MBA because they have courses in a lot of specializations and human resources one of those. And trust me, it is one of the best. There's a reason why they put it on the second rank in terms of the best HR colleges. ये बहुत amazing college है. सब ये टिसनेट एक एग्जाम कंडक्ट होता है जो कि मोस्टली इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी कंडक्ट होता है और उसके बेसिस पे आपको एडमिशन मिलता है. फीस जो है इसकी बहुत मिनिमल है, इट इज 2.4 लाख रुपीज फॉर 2 years ऑफ योर MBA, विच इज लाइक मिनिमल, जो कि आई थिंक इट्स हार्डली 10% ऑफ बहुत सारे जो कॉलेजेस हैं जो फीस लेते हैं उसके कंपैरिजन में. और compared to the fees, the average salary offered is 20.06 lakh per annum, जो कि बहुत amazing number है guys. So TIS Mumbai should definitely be one of the colleges that you target. In fact, the top college that you target for an MBA in human resource, right? इसमें हमने देखा कि ये TISNET से लेता है, courses offered are MA, and number of seats we did not see, number of seats थी 60. So this is about Tata Institute of Social Sciences. It is based out of Mumbai. Again, it is a hub and attraction for all the companies. तो उस बारे में आपको टेंशन लेने की कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है. Let's move on to the third best college. It is SCMHRD Pune. Now I know a lot of you think कि SCMHRD Pune is not one of the top colleges of the country, but it definitely features in the top 15 colleges in the country. SNAP के through इसमें admission होता है. SCMHRD Pune generally भी, even if you do not talk about the HR course, generally also it features in the top 15 colleges. It takes admission through the Symbiosis National Aptitude Test. The two best colleges from SNAP are SIBM Pune and SCMHRD Pune. But in HR, SCMHRD Pune specializes more than SIBM. इसके नाम में ही है Symbiosis Center for Management and Human Resource Development. ये जो कोर्सेज ऑफर करता है वो है MBA in Business Analytics, MBA in Infrastructure Development and Management. और जो MBA वाला इसका कोर्स है, इसके अंदर ही HR स्पेशलाइजेशन आता है. तो HR के लिए बहुत वेल नोन कॉलेज है. इसका फीस है अराउंड ₹20 lakh per annum. The fees has slightly increased compared to the last year. Last year the fees was around 18 lakhs. The average salary offered is ₹16.1 lakh per annum, which is a very good measure. Yes, it is lesser than the fees, but ये सिर्फ average number है. Highest package इसके 30 plus जाते हैं, and especially in the field of HR, the highest packages are really good. The number of seats are 180 for the core, that is जो MBA वाला course ये offer करता है. This is the third best college for human resource in India. Let us move on to the fourth best college. The fourth best college is NMIMS Mumbai. Yes, we all know that NMIMS का flagship course is supposedly marketing or finance. वो marketing या finance के लिए ज़्यादा popular है, but again NMIMS Mumbai has a separate course for HR and it is doing really well. थोड़ा comparatively नया course है, but despite that it's doing really well. ये जो NMAT exam होता है इसके through ही admissions देता है. Courses offered are MBA and I forgot to mention MBA HR, but let's consider that a part of MBA. इसकी fees है around 20 lakh per annum and the average salary offered is 14.37 lakh per annum. Number of seats is 540. The only drawback is कि इसके number of seats 540 है, but again the plus point is जो HR का course है वो separate course है. उसके लिए जो कंपनीज आती हैं, lot of companies come specifically for the HR course. तो ये एक बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है. एवरेज सैलरी ऑल्दो इसकी 14.37 लाख पर एनम है. इसकी जो हाईएस्ट सैलरीज हैं दैट अगेन आर 30 प्लस और HR डोमेन में भी बहुत अमेजिंग ऑफर्स ये देता है. दिस इज द फोर्थ बेस्ट कॉलेज फॉर HR. एंड लेट अस मूव ऑन टू द लास्ट वन, IIM Lucknow. So IIM Lucknow, as we know, is one of the top 6 IIMs, one of the top 6 B schools in the country in fact. But क्योंकि IIMs usually general management में specialize करते हैं, most of the IIMs are not featuring in the top 5, but IIM Lucknow features in the top 5 for the best colleges in HR. CAT के through ये admission देता है. PGP and PGP-AB are the courses that it offers. इसकी fees है 14.3 lakhs, which we can see is lesser than SCMHRD, NMIMS and XLRI. And average salary offered is 24.25 lakh per annum. अगर average salary इसकी 24.25 है, then you can only imagine what is the highest salary here. And I think we've discussed the highest salary is more than half a crore, that is more than 50 lakhs. Number of seats is 436, but again, since it is the top 6, one of the top 6 IIMs, इसकी credibility बहुत ज़्यादा है. And if you really want to pursue an MBA from an IIM, अगर आपको IIM ही जाना है, then out of these 5 colleges, you can put IIM Lucknow at the top for MBA and HR. But otherwise, if you're not obsessed with the IIM tag and all you want is to pursue MBA from a college जहाँ पे HR is the specialty, then these are the 5 colleges in order that you can target. Yes, you might have a different opinion, others might have a different opinion of the ranking, but basis our research, this is what we've come to. आप अपने साइड से भी research कर सकते हैं, but yes, you should trust us and you should trust our research. So guys, I hope कि ये video आपको help करेगा in your decision making, especially those who are looking for an MBA in HR या फिर जो लोग confused हैं between HR and other specialization. All you need to do is, I will again remind you to subscribe to Cat King and to press the bell icon, because हम हर दिन multiple news लेके आते हैं आपके लिए, and we do not want you to miss out on any important news. All you have to do is start preparing, start working hard, and you're very close to your aim. So I will see you guys very soon. Please write in the comments what you thought about the video and share your thoughts with us. All the best, and I'll see you soon.